Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says the equation of the parallel plane lying midway between the parallel planes this and this. So, as you can observe, both planes are parallel. So, suppose that we have 2x minus 3y plus 6z minus 7 equals to 0. Suppose this is the first plane. So it is at top, so plus. Okay. Now this is the second plane. So it is 2x minus 3y plus 6z minus 7 equals to 0. Suppose that you have two planes and you have to write down equation of plane exactly midway. Now look at this. If you will observe the gap, first try to understand that your plane should be in the midway. Midway means it should also be parallel to the given two planes. So the x component, y component and z component will remain the same. So can I write 2x minus 3y plus 6z? Now we have to think about the constant. Now look at the gap between this number and this number. One is at minus 7 and other is at plus 7. So the gap is 14, correct? So do you have any number from which the minus 7 and the plus 7 is at equidistant? Yes, it is 0. So suppose that on the number line, don't you think that from 0 till minus 7 and 7 will have the same gap? So it becomes the midway, na? So the constant will become 0. So this is the equation of the required plane. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.